There were 144 chairs and tables arranged in a circle. There were 7 tables in between 2 chairs. 7 tables in between 2 chairs. How many chairs were there? Okay, this question may seem short, okay, but we must be really careful when we employ our grouping technique here. Okay, so let me draw what's happening. Chair, table, 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 table. Quite a lot of tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and another chair. Table, 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 table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chair. Okay, this is what they mean by it is arranged in circle, and also in between 2 chairs, guys, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In between 2 chairs, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tables. And they go around in circles so that the total will be 144 items. Now, to do this, we must realize that there is a set of items that we can group together. Now, where is that set? The set is here. Be careful when you group it. Okay, you cannot group the set like this. This is not allowed. This is not one set. Why? Because you want your sets to have the same repeated item. So if you do this, you look at the next set, it doesn't start with a C, it starts with a T. Okay, over here the set starts with C. So your next set must have the same starting and ending term. So how do we group it? We can group it in this manner here. This is one set, and this is another set. Okay, and in each set we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. Okay, we have 7 tables and 1 chest. And in total, we have 144 items. So we can write this statement down in one group, or you can put one set. There are 1 chair and 7 tables. Which means in one set, there's 1 plus 7, which is 8 items. So how many of such 8 items do I have? How many groups do I have? Alright, now to do this, we do a simple division. 144, divide this by 8. 144 divided by 8 is actually 18 of such groups. The question is, how many chairs were there in each group? Take note, my friends, there is only 1 chair in each group. So number of chairs. Will just be 18 multiplied by 1. Answer is 18 chairs. Okay? Final answer for this question. Of course, if they were to ask you how many tables are there, then we'll take 7 times these 18 groups.